morning, guys. Happy Monday. We woke up early this morning. My girls are fully homeschooling, so it's all year is going to be online school. So that's exciting. Here's my homeschooling. Hi. I have a lot of unboxing here. So this is like a little setup for like our garage. Got my new AirPods. These are so cute. This little pink case, silicone. Let me just open it so you can see. So cute. Sweat so much. Now I'm ready to go in the shower. That's so pretty. So I'm gonna need to do a lot of TikToks today. So I'm just like I wrote down what I need to do because most of it is like clothing change and then makeup. I like to do before and after, and then it's the same like for Reels. So I'm gonna upload it for TikTok and Reels on Instagram, and I need to post and also do a giveaway today on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me there already, that would be a good idea to follow because I do a lot of giveaways and some, day in my life. I'm mostly there daily on stories. So if you want to go check it out, it's gonna be on the description box below. So you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and etc. On my blog post, it's gonna be there. So yeah, I'm so sweaty. I have to go shower. I absolutely loved it. I killed it, and I don't know if I'm gonna do my hair because I can do another day without washing it. So I'll just skip it. Shower is done. Now I'm going to dress up and do my makeup. Just changed my clothes, and I did already some start of the TikTok, and then I'm going to change and do my makeup and then do the rest of it. So right now I'm ready to do my makeup, so I'm gonna take you with me to see exactly not exactly. I'm just gonna do it like a fast forward. It's gonna take time. But yeah, I need to do my hair and makeup right now. And this is what I'm wearing. This is Urban Outfitters, like what's it called, jumpsuit. And these shoes are from Amazon Fashion. Actually, pretty nice. And now it's actually clean around here, so organized, and I can show you this mirror. I might change that belt, but everything pink, and like show you the bag that I want to wear as well, like for TikTok, you know, I'm not like going anywhere. So I've been changing my outfits for TikToks and stuff. As you see, I have my ring light here. So I did a lot of Reels content, TikTok content, and basically I'm going to change again. But you guys, like, the camera died when I wanted to show you the exciting news. So I didn't open it because I wanted to open with you. Something that my husband just came up to surprise me, and I was so shocked. As you probably saw, I was so shocked. Like, what did you get me? And oh my god, I need to show you to you guys. Okay, so let me just go downstairs and open it with you. So this is exciting. This is what my husband got me, and I'm so excited. Thank you. Oh my god, it was in this big box, and I didn't know like what he got me, but then I was like, I really wanted this Imac, and oh my god, I can't wait to like open it. It looks so big, and I'm going to like love it. And also I have all these boxes here that I need to open. So I don't know why I'm sneezing. Bless you, I'm sneezing, and I think I have allergies and my eyes are kind of itchy right now, so I don't know what am I allergic to right now, but this one, I feel like, I'm just having some sneezing problem. Anyway, let's open some boxes here. You know, guys, I'm gonna skip to open the Sephora box right now. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm sorry. I'm closing my eyes here. I'm just so tired. Can I stay in bed? Oh my god, look! So it's all set up right now. I put all my information and whatever so it can be the same as my computer and my other phone. Look at that. Beautiful. Right? Yay! I just finished with this makeup look and it's all Rare Beauty product. Just wanted you to see my skin. I mean, I love how it came out. These are the swatches for the Natasha Denona Glam palette, which I already swatched, but I really wanted to play with it a little bit, probably with another upcoming video. But this lip situation is this Rare Beauty lip cream. I love how it looks like, but like how it feels very lightweight. You don't really feel it on your lips, and it looks stunning. What I don't like about it is it smells like stinky. I don't like that smell, like the scent, but it's great color, it's great lip cream, and it comes in this red too, which I am dying to try. But the pink, I had to, you know me, pink. That's yeah, that's the fresh look. And the liquid blushes are amazing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down to eat because I think it's already like almost 5 and I didn't eat anything. But I don't feel hungry. I don't know why. Because of the like the time of the month, I don't really usually eat a lot. I was just drinking coffee and that's it. But I think I need to eat something, so I'm gonna go down and eat something. And what else I had to do today? Oh, I have to finish the TikTok. So it is Friday, and Mama doing our homework because we're almost about to go to my friends. Have like we want to do like a day in the resort and just have the girls play maybe in the pool. She's almost done, and this is what I'm wearing, like Urban Outfitters top and these jeans by, I think I got it also from Urban Outfitters. This is like a BDG, and my cute purse and my cute sunnies are super cute. Yay!
You made it! We can go and have some fun.
Yay! Hello, Lila. 6 lady. So it is the next day. I think we were really fun yesterday, but I came home and we were super tired, so we spent the whole Saturday just staying at home. Right now it's about 4 o'clock and we're just really tired and sleeping. The girls just playing, and it's their day to play with their iPads because they're not having their iPads every day, only on weekends. So whenever they finish like schoolwork and stuff and homework, and you know it's online, so basically they have the computer all the time. So with that, they have more time to stay focused on their homework and stuff. So yeah, we're just chilling. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and thank you so much for watching and coming along with us. Just our normal week in quarantine slash everything's open again slash we don't know what happened in the world. Sorry, with the light is like on and off. The sun is coming in and out. So yeah, just chilling Saturday vibe, and I will see you on our next vlog. Bye.